come to see some sort of intifada. And part of the strategy is to, tell the world that something is happening here. And you are morally obliged to come to our help. India should not be allowed to simply massacre our people.
The United National Liberation Front's rebellion against the Indian state began in 1964. It now plans to take the war out of the jungles and into the streets of Manipur by sparking civil unrest.
One of the biggest factors in our strategy is we're fighting with the people, not just the armed cadres. And take India's deployment here, about 55,000. Just take about 2 million people. 55,000 is nothing.
Sana Yaima, chairman of the UNLF and a descendant of the Manipur royal family, plans to mobilize the Manipuris by proposing a solution that he knows Delhi will not accept.
We have made a 4-point proposal. Number 1 point is to hold the plebiscite under United Nations aegis. UN peacekeeping forces be deployed in Manipur. UNLF will deposit all its arms to the UN, and India should also reciprocate by withdrawing all their forces, occupation forces from Manipur. UN authority to hand over power according to the result or the verdict of the people in the plebiscite.
For more than 10 years, the UNLF has fought a hidden protracted war against the Indian army. And now it wants to take this war overground. And it might just take the government of India by surprise. Somewhere in southeastern Manipur,